What is up, you guys? It's me, Cicely, and I am back with another video. And in today's video, I'm coming at y'all with a makeup tutorial. I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do wear it, I slay it. Okay. So if you all want to see how I go from this to this, don't forget to keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, let's go. Alrighty guys, so when I start my makeup, I start off with my eyebrows, and this is the product that I use. But I did do my eyebrows off of camera so it wouldn't take so long, and I think they turned out pretty good. Alright, so next I take my eyeshadow brush and this eyeshadow palette that I got from CVS a long time ago. I don't even remember. But I take that golden brown color and I place it right on my eyelid. And you guys, I'm not a professional eyeshadow doer, okay? So I just put the eyeshadow on my lid just to bring out color on my face, you know what I'm saying? So I do that on both of my eyes, and yeah. Alrighty, so now I'm going in with that darker brown color, and I'm gonna put it right on top of that golden brown that I put on at first. Okay, right here I'm trying to attempt to do a smoky eye, but you know, I attempted and it's gonna look good in the end, trust me. Okay. Okay. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on both eyes, of course, and I'll be right back when I get done. And I almost forgot, the very last step to this eyeshadow is to take that white eyeshadow and put it right underneath my brow bone. Okay, when I did my eyebrows, I did not put on any concealer, so I felt like this white eyeshadow would be good to make a, you know, a pop underneath my brow bone. So that is what I'm doing. Okay, I am done with that, and let's move on. Alright, so the next thing that I do is take my mascara so that I can prep to put on my strip lashes. Yes, this is the e.l.f. mascara. I'm gonna pull back up, sweetie. Yes, I'm just gonna apply that and I will be back. These are the lashes that I use, the volume ones. I got these from the beauty supply store, but I'm gonna apply these off of camera and I will see ya. I got my lashes on, and now it's time for foundation. I use the MAC foundation and the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 340 and MAC NC50. And then I go ahead and put that on the back of my hands and mix it all together real good. Because for the NC50 MAC foundation, sometimes it's a little too dark, and for the Fenty, sometimes it's a little too light. So I like to mix it so it can give me that nice goldeny, you know, match that really matches my skin. And then I just put the rest of that on my face, and then I take my Real Techniques brush and blend that all together. And I'm just blending, and I really hate putting foundation on my forehead, but I need it because I have acne, so I put that on my forehead, but try to minimalize it so it won't be too much. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of this off of camera, so I'll see y'all when I get back. Alrighty, next up on the list is concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And what I do with this is, of course, I put it underneath my eyes, my chin, and my forehead. And I think I put a little on my nose there. Let me be So after that concealer is good and applied, I'll go ahead with my Real Techniques face brush that I used for my foundation, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that concealer. Blend, 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 blend. Alrighty, so after that is good and blended, I'm going to take my Real Techniques sponge just so I can get up in those creases and make sure everything is blended seamlessly. What's the word? Seemingly? Yeah, that. And yeah. Okay, this how it's looking so far. Okay, sweetie. But we are not done just yet, so hold on one second. Alrighty, so now I'm going to take this why was I about to say baking soda? This baking powder. Oops. And I am just going to put that all the places that I put that concealer, underneath my eyes, on my forehead, on my nose, on my chin, and a little bit above my cupid's bow. I'm going to put that everywhere. And I'm not really a baker. I like to just put it on and swipe it off as soon as I'm done, because I feel like baking, it gives me flashback when I take pictures with the flash. So that is the reason why. And when you're out and taking pictures, you do not want to mess up your pictures with flashback, okay? So make sure that you're very cautious if you are baking. Next up on the roster is this Bobbi Brown foundation stick, and I'm so sorry, I really don't know what color this is. I think it's in the shade Toffee, but when I find out, I will have it in the description box below, so don't worry. But I'm using this to contour. I really don't know how to contour for real, but I just do what I think is right. So I put it on my forehead, my cheeks, and on the sides, and then I put it on my lower jawline. I'm not even sure if that's correct, but the reason why I do this is just to bring a little color back to my face. So from all that powder and that concealer, just to bring some color back. And yeah, next up is my favorite part of the makeup process, lining your lips and doing your lips. I'm using this Ruby Kisses lip liner in the shade dark brown, I believe. And I'm just going to go in and line my lips. I recently just got into overlining lips. I'm not really doing it correctly right here, but I really do enjoy overlining my lips. But right here, I kind of just rushed it. So yeah, but that is what I'm doing. Just go ahead and lining, and then I'm going to go in with my lip glosses, so stay tuned. Okie dokie, now moving on to the glosses that I'm using. I'm using this MAC lip gloss. I'm not sure of the name once again, but I'm just going to go ahead and put that in the description once I find out, I promise. And I'm just going to put that on the insides of the liner that I did, and just doing it like that. And then to top it off, I'm using this Ruby Kisses lip gloss. This I think it's CBD, this CBD lip gloss, but I'm just gonna put it right on top just to give it some more shine and to make it pop more, because I love lips. Yes, and then blend it. Yes, ma'am. And we got 2 more steps and we will be done. Now I'm just adding my last finishing touches, and this is the Fenty Beauty highlighter in Hustla, baby. Look at that. I broke it. I'm sorry, but I'm just gonna take that and put it on my nose, my forehead, and right above my cupid's bow, just to give, you know, myself more of a glow or whatever. And then what I do is put it on the corners of my eyes as well, just so my eyeshadow can pop and so it can look like I actually know how to do eyeshadow, you know what I'm saying? So that is what I am doing. This is the finishing product. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.